Although we have new technological advancement in different fields, the scope of deep learning is expanding every day. Deep learning can be defined as a subset of machine learning concerned with neural networks designed to imitate human brain. Deep learning engineers are offered a great salary. The average salary of a deep learning engineer in the United States is $140,000 per year. Most deep learning projects involves tools like TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch and many more. If you are a fresher, this video is made for you. Let us quickly draw up crucial deep learning project ideas. But before moving into the topic, please make sure you subscribe to Simplilearn's YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. Coming to the first idea, which is Chatbot. A smart chatbot will utilize deep learning to understand the context of the user's inquiry and then provide the relevant response. Chatbots can be deployed in a variety of ways. It is always better to opt for deep learning instead of any other frameworks and tools. In this section, we can create our datasets and create a simple chatbot. Python language is highly recommended for this. Such is the power of chatbots that the number of chatbots on Facebook has increased from 100k to 300k within a year. Here, deep learning chatbots use machine learning algorithms. The best part is that the platform can interact with the user with zero human intervention. Next is face detection system. This is an excellent project for a beginner. It is designed to visualize the images in real time. Key features of this will be a deep neural network to describe the face. Let us consider a scenario. Assume two different images of the same person, then the network should recognize the image of the person without fail. It suggests that the model should recognize facial features and generate numbers using these aspects. You can develop the model using Python and CV. With the help of this project, you will gain experience with object identification and learn how to recognize anything in a picture. Up next, we have image classification system. Due to advancements in deep learning, image classification is much easier today. We can implement this idea by developing deep neural networks that can recognize different images. We'll train the computer to identify and categorize images. TensorFlow and Python will be used to create the software. Coming up, we will learn about cancer detection system. Cancer is a serious condition that must be detected as soon as possible. We can use an image classification technique to quickly identify the disease because cancer cells differ from normal cells. In this area, deep learning models have excelled at accuracy. The provided training data determines how accurate the model will be. And the most important deep learning idea, which is called fake news detection system. Thanks to digitalizations, consumers have access to every news at their fingertips. But every news we get might not be true. Companies like Facebook, Google and others use AI to identify and detect fake news from their platforms. There are different methods for achieving this objective, but this effort only aims to spot the suspect ones by skimming the text. Coming up, we have gender and age detection. You may have noticed that many smartphone cameras now incorporate AI. They are even capable of determining a person's gender and age. Deep learning can be used for this, but we will need a lot of data to build the model. Coming to language translator using deep learning. You might have used Google Translator quite often. Machine translation, one of the most well-known subfields in computational linguistics, focuses on translation from one language to another. NMT, which is abbreviated as Neural Machine Translation, which has grown in popularity and effectiveness with deep learning, is now the most effective algorithm for this task. And the last one is drowsy driver recognition system. Fatigue is one of the main factors in accidents on the road. Long distance drivers sometimes find themselves dozing off in the driver's seat. To prevent and minimize such tragedies, our work aims to develop a drowsiness detection agent. You will build a system that can recognize closed eyes in drivers and alert them if they nod off behind the wheel using Python, OpenCV and Keras. This device will inform the driver even if their eyes are closed for a short period, preventing potentially fatal car accidents. These were the most important project ideas in deep learning. Hope we have covered all the crucial project ideas for you. In case of any queries, please feel free to mention them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.